We've all heard the real estate sayings, it's a seller's market or the buyer's in control. But which one is it? As a buyer or seller in today's housing market, have you ever wondered who determines the market? Hi, I'm Kenneth Morillo with Aroa, Florida. Seems like not a day goes by when we don't read or hear headlines on the housing market, whether it's in regard to mortgage rates, housing prices, or even inventory. In fact, it can be quite confusing to either a buyer or a seller on who's in the driver's seat. So what data do real estate professionals analyze when looking at the market? It is the supply and demand of inventory. Typically, when supply is low and buyer demand is high, it tends to be a seller's market. If there is an oversupply of listings, that can indicate a buyer's market. An oversupply of inventory shows demand has been cooled, shifting the control to the buyer. To break it down even further, as real estate professionals, we look at the absorption rate of a specific area. What so-called experts say in regards to the absorption rate is that if there is less than a 5-month supply of homes available, it's a seller's market. A 5 to 7 month supply indicates a balanced market, and anything more than 7 month supply means it's a buyer's market. However, I do not exactly agree with this, as each area, neighborhood, city, and state will vary. For example, right now in our area, if a home is on the market longer than even 60 days, it's a sign that the home is probably priced too high. So although the experts have given their opinion on what traditionally a seller's market or a buyer's market is, it's really imperative that you consult a seasoned, experienced real estate expert to show you the local data. Let's look at what has been happening nationally. Nationally, we've been in more of a seller's market with lower inventory levels, even though they are now coming up. According to Realtor.com economic research analysis Hannah Jones, and I quote, "The market is still leaning toward a seller's market, but has gained balance since COVID when the market was red hot." The last true buyer's market was in 2012 when housing inventory was a little over 7 months, meaning it's been 12 years since supply outweighed demand, end of quote. Of course, this market is not a slam dunk for sellers either. It is also challenging to be a seller. Most sellers hold a mortgage with a lower interest rate than today's rate. This means if they sell, they may be purchasing in a higher price market. So although it is more favorable to be a seller in today's market, sellers, like buyers, also face higher rates and home prices too. In fact, experts say the market feels more like a limbo market, where both buyer and seller feel conflicted about the overall economy. But either way, don't give up, as owning real estate is still the #1 way to build your net worth over time. If you would like more information on the current inventory in your local area, home prices, and days on market, please reach out to us today. We can help you prepare your home to go to market and get the best possible returns on your largest investment. I'm Kenneth Morillo, Aroa, Florida, and we're here helping our people elevate through real estate every day with fun in the sun.